Hello, my friends. The first of the month means two big things at the Stamps of Life. Number one, we've released our stamp and die set for the month. Number two, and this one's the most exciting. Well, not the most exciting. I think they're equally exciting. These are the add-on sets. And if you hurry, not only can you get them on flash sale the first 24 hours they're on our website, you can possibly get the bundle that includes all of the extras at an extra low price, lower than the flash sale price. It's crazy. I know. Are you ready? Here we go. Here is the stamp set that coordinates with our club set. Here's our club set. This is the add-on. So we always want to have three, right? And I couldn't fit three on here, so boom, there's the third flower. Love it. Has lots of fun words on it. Let's see. One friend can change your life. You are that friend for the inside. Stay positive. Be so good they can't ignore you. Thank you. You have to believe. You make my world bloom. Work hard and make it happen, and missing you. Gorgeous, right? But you know I can't stop like just with that. You know I have to have more words. I have a lot to say all the time, right? We all know that. So here we go. If you can dream it, you can do it. Sending you a garden of dreams. You are my everything. Never give up. Great things take time. Sending you a floral hug. You can totally do this. Enjoy every moment. Be brave. Think positive. God has a plan. Trust it, live it, enjoy it. Aren't those awesome? I love it. Now, you know, of course, we have to have the die that matches the stamp, right? Of course, you know that. There we go. Boom. This one. I know you're first thinking, I'm not sure, but you know what? Let me tell you, my friends, let me just grab one sample. I have more, don't worry. I have lots of samples, but let me just show you this. Isn't that beautiful? It just adds a little tiny bit. Now, if you want it to be more subtle, you can do it this way. So many different options, but look at how gorgeous it is having two different colors back there. You have one for the dots and one for behind. So beautiful, right? Now, you're gonna love that. That's the mini dot. The next one is a fun one because it's a frame. It is a frame. Now it's not an oval frame because it's like, we're calling it a rounded frame because it's rounded at the top, straight at the bottom. And I have so many samples of everything, guys. Look at the stack of cards. My design team went crazy this month. Look at this. Look at this. It comes with You Are Lovely. It comes with this shadow, with the the leaf vines, and extra leaves so you can die cut those out separately if you would want to. Lots of options on this one, right? Now, last but not least, and I'm going to show you right now how to make this so I don't have any questions because you know what? It is so darn easy. You know me. If it's not easy, I'm not doing it, right? That's how I roll. Nancy Legate sent this idea into us and we absolutely fell in love with it literally at first glance because what does it do? It creates this rounded frame on the top of your card. It folds flat for mailing, and when the recipient opens it up, it has this gorgeous roundness to it. And let me kind of just show you how round it is. And it's so easy, it's so gorgeous. I took this a step further because, well, and first of all, I have to tell you this. This is two dies in one. This is buy one, get one free kind of thing. Because not only do you get the die that makes this fun rounded shape on the front of your cards, you're also getting the rounded frame, right? Now, a normal person would think, okay, so she made the die with that rounded frame in the center. Okay, great. Nope, that's not what I did. What did I do? I did something a little different. I took that frame and I made it so it has the pop-up part, right? And these dies are all separate. Because what if you wanted to do a circle on the front instead? Options. What if you wanted to do a regular rectangle on the front instead? Options. What if you wanted a smaller window on the front? Options. I wanted you to have so many different options that you use this one every time you make cards. Now, you're getting the big base, and don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do it. You're also getting all of these. So this is why I said it's 2-in-1, because you're getting the main frame here, but you're also getting all of these nested dies. Normally, that whole set would be its own set by itself, right? But you're getting it included in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like an optical illusion. 7 dies. These are a little different, my friends, because when you die cut these, it leaves the stitch dot, stitch dot, stitch dot on the outside where you cut it. It also has the stitch dot on the inside. And I believe I have a sample just of that die cut out right here. So when you die cut it, it looks like this. You have the stitch dot, stitch dot. You could use this on any other card, right? I showed you a sample earlier where one of our designers used the smallest one, stamped on it, and used that as her little title block. Awesome, right? Now, how easy is it to do? Let me show you that because it's really important to see that. Number 1, here is my A2 card base. Just die cut it, made an A2 card base. Here we go. It works great on top folds and side folds. It's up to you. Here is what I die cut. I die cut the biggest piece. Let me show it to you here. I die cut the biggest piece. I included in that biggest piece the largest frame. Let me grab it. The largest frame right here. And I taped them together and die cut it. And then I got this. Now again, the stitch dot is on the outside of this one as well. Also, don't forget, my friends, I could have used a smaller window. What if I wanted a smaller window? I could have used a smaller window. The choice is yours. You get to do any way you want. Now, watch how easy this is. So here I've die cut it, right? It has all these awesome deep score lines. We're going to Z fold that, mountain and valley fold it, and we're just going to fold it all back. Then we're going to fold it towards us. And now we have these little spots. What are we going to do? We're going to grab our favorite adhesive and we are going to add adhesive. And I made this nice and a wide spot right here so your tape runner would fit perfectly on it, right? Then you are going to take your card. This is the front. I'm going to do one side. So here's what it looks like. There's what it looks like. Okay. I'm going to do one side right on the very, here, now let me fold it here so you can see it. On the very, very edge, right there, okay? I'm taking an extra second to make sure it's good. There we go, press. Don't do the other side yet, press. Now, you'll notice this side's a little bit too long. Look, Stephanie, you messed up. It's too big, it's not gonna fit. That's the trick, my friends. We're going to pull this in and line it up on our card right there. Hard to do when you're doing it on camera. Let me do it right here on the ground, on the table here. We're gonna lay that down, press, 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 press. There's my fold. Look at that. Can you see it? Can you see how it's popping up? Well, there we go. There we go. It's got that rounded edge to it. Now, that is how easy it is to do this card front. Ah! I know, come on, you guys. You guys know I'm gonna make it easy. If it's not easy, I'm not doing it. Here you go. Here's a finished product. There's my popped up frame. You're gonna fold, it folds flat for mailing, of course. It's gonna go in an envelope, and then when they open it up, it automatically pops out because it doesn't have enough room to be straight, right? So look at how gorgeous that is. Isn't that fun? Here, look at this little guy with a little wobbly behind him. I absolutely love that. Look how cute he is. He's wobbling around. You've got a little card on the back. You could just make it on the back if you wanted also. Here's another one, a little bit more simple with just a fun little saying on the inside. Love it. Ooh, this one is like a full-on scene. Cheryl made this one with her 3D ink. She loves our 3D ink. This is like a little window to the outside world. Isn't that gorgeous? Open on the inside, birthday hugs. Now again, it folds flat for mailing, but when they open it up, it's gonna pop open because it doesn't have anywhere else to go. It wants to be open. Here you go, rounded frame. Look at this one. Isn't that beautiful with our fun little cupcakes in there? Absolutely love that. Ooh, look how cute this one is. You can make it as simple or as detailed as you want. Just add our flowers. Why did we release this one during our Lavish long stems? Because it fits perfectly in the front, right? Let's look at a couple more. Oh, well, here we go. Look at this. Remember, I said it's 2 in 1. 2 in 1. Just use the nested shapes. 2 in 1. Buy one, get one free. Look at that. Right there. There it is, my friends. So you're getting extra discount on that one. Extra bonus on that one. Now, let's look at the frame. So here is that gorgeous frame. Remember? Oh, and there's that shape again because look, it coordinates with this set as well. Everything coordinates, you guys. Oh, look at this. The beautiful flowers with that leaf rounded shape. Oh, here's another pop-up one. Look at how gorgeous that is. Love it. Here's another one, You Are Lovely. It comes with the You Are Lovely. Now, do you have to use the You Are Lovely? Absolutely not. That's an option, right? It's always an option. Here's another gorgeous one. Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously. We are going to be having so much fun with these because all of the flowers coordinate perfectly with this shape. I love this shape. It's so fun. Now, let's go back and look at this new flower that's in this release also. So this one is a little different. Here are the club ones, so you can see it's different. It is different. This one is looking up at the sun saying, thank you, sun, thank you. I love that. Here's another one, white flower or a light brown flower. Love that. Here's another one, think positive. Oh, so cute. Ooh, look at this one. All three together. Isn't that adorable? I love this, thinking of you with our reverse corner rectangles on the inside. It adds so much, doesn't it? Those little corners just add so much. There we go. Oh, look at this one. You guys, this flower is just absolutely adorable. I love it. Okay, let's move these off because I got more. You guys, my design team went crazy. They all went crazy. Mini dots. Oh, stay tuned. I have a sneak peek at the end. Stay tuned. Mini dots. Here you go. Mini dots. Here you go. Mini dots. Each one 100% different, just with the mini dots colors, right? Aren't those awesome? I love the contrast. It is so fun. Also, my friends, those of you that like to sew and add stitching, this die is perfect for you. Perfect for you. Oh, well, that's a sneak peek too, so we'll save that one. Here we go. Look at the wedding ring stencil in the background. We have our beautiful flowers. Thank you. Love that. This is also using the 5x7 scallop die set and the 5x7 stitched rectangles. Notice the scallops here and the stitched rectangles on top. So beautiful. Look how fun that is. Oh, that is just so gorgeous. Now, are you ready for a sneak peek? Are you ready for a sneak peek? Here we go. Both of these have a sneak peek on them. And coming later this month is a new shape. And this new shape is so fun. You'll see it right here. It's called Bouncy. Coming soon. Coming soon. We're going to have a lot of fun with that one. First, we're going to have a lot of fun with this rounded frame, right? But this one's coming up next. But look at how gorgeous these flowers are on that frame. You guys, so awesome. This release, literally, I'm actually, I know I shouldn't say this, but I'm proud of my team because we did an amazing job on this one. And I'm so excited to get this one in your hands and let you have fun and playing with it. And stay tuned, I will be doing more of this one in our crafting corner, so stay tuned for that. My friends, thank you so much. If you are not a club member, you need to join ASAP so you get not only these awesome flash sale prices the first 24 hours they're on our website, but then also you get your club discount as well. 15% off the entire website every single day, every single order. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Now, if you're watching this on YouTube, please make sure you click that subscribe button and click the little bell. You'll get a notification every time we release a new video and when we go live. I go live every Thursday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, and we craft live together. It's called Stephanie's Crafting Corner. Make sure you check it out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.
so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.